Okay, so today we're going to do the Wednesday science lesson, and it's 10.3, ear anatomy. So we did this last time. You just flip it, and it looks like this. It says the external ear and the ear canal make up the outer ear. The eardrum and the hammer, anvil, and stirrup are parts of the middle ear. The inner ear has many parts. Write the words outer ear, middle ear, or inner ear to label the diagram of the ear. So you look here. So think to yourself, would this be outer ear, middle ear, or inner ear? And if you thought outer ear, you are correct. So we're going to write outer ear on that line. Okay. Now look here. Which part do you think this is? Is this the middle ear or the inner ear? And if you said middle ear, you are correct. So we're going to write middle ear here. Okay. And then, of course, what's left is the inner ear. All right. I'll turn the page. Okay, now this says number the picture from 1 to 6 to show the parts of the ear. The external ear is the part of the outer ear that you can see. So here is the external ear. So we're going to write 1. That's the part of your ear that we can all see. Number 2 says the ear canal is a tube between the external ear and the eardrum. So here we're going to put 2. You can see that this looks like a tube. Number 3, the eardrum is like a thin sheet of skin. It is stretched tight like the top of a drum. And so that, if you look like, it looks almost like that top part of a drum. So we're going to put a 3 here for the eardrum. Number 4 says the 3 bones in the middle ear are the hammer, the anvil, and the stirrup. So if you look here, that's number 4. And if you look closely, they actually do kind of look like a hammer, an anvil, and a stirrup. You can see that stirrup right there. The number 5, I'm never sure if I say these right. The cochlea is part of the inner ear that is shaped like a snail shell. The semicircular canals are curved tubes in the inner ear that look like a half circle. So number 5 is here. So we have these parts, and I always think this looks like a snail shell. The number 6, the auditory nerve carries sound energy to the brain, and this is where it connects. And this is how we hear all these parts work together so we can hear it, and that takes you up to the brain. And that's how you can hear, is that connection there. So that is our science for today.